easy to use and convenient. Easy. From purchase to activation, all from KKday app. Jingmal chinchira eSIM tung nok pong populalia chisisui k tung no casio. Hong Kong Macau tenaratanyan nun tato chinwan al periodo ipsi paro sa yonki nung adarako yo. Namupinake chal sa yung seo. It was easy to set up and the connection is working well. USIM, USIM. Wi-Fi. One GB. 1 GB. 1 GB. 1 GB. 1 GB. There is not much of a time difference between Japan and Hong Kong, so I set it up and checked it beforehand in Japan, which gave me peace of mind when I used it locally. I used 1.5 gigabytes of data there. Data speed is fast. Did not experience any lags. /SIM. Free Wi-Fi 10. Google Map Wi-Fi 1 GB. 24023:5924. I was able to connect smoothly without any problems in both Hong Kong and Macau. I got a 1 GB plan, but since I was looking at the map while moving around, it ran out pretty quickly, so next time I in number 39, I'll get a 2 GB plan. I used it very conveniently for 4 days. I installed it in Korea in advance, arrived in Hong Kong, turned on the USIM, and used it well for 4 days. Since the USIM signal I bought was too bad, I bought another one directly. Fortunately, the paint didn't fall off this time. It works fine in Hong Kong. Those who recommend using CTM on the internet are very stable. I found this picture and watched the video on how to use it. I wrote it down and manually entered it into the Macau airport in number 39's direct Wi-Fi connection. After entering it, it can be used immediately. No network instability issues at all. I did in number 39 save it all when I bought 3G and I still have a lot left. Activating the USIM was easy and I was able to use my smartphone without any problems locally. I in number 39 am very satisfied. It was very easy to activate.